Good morning and welcome to the opening trade. I am Ayla. Before we get started, don't forget to first read and understand our disclosures found both by link and text in the description of this video. Can you bring me water? Alright, let's take a look here at our account balance. Here we go. Simulated the opening trade, cash value, starting value, net liquid. These will be filled in once the automated trades perform, if they perform today. All right. Let's take a look at the 90-day backtest results for the 4 trades we could possibly see trade today. Let me find the NASDAQ first, because that'll be the first trade possibly going. There we go. Start and end date, max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit. There it is. Then we'll look at the ES, the S&P 500. Start and end date, max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, total net profit. All right, all of our charts are working correctly. This is the Dow Jones. Start and end, max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, total net profit. Ah, my mouse is running away. All right, and the Russell 2000 futures. Start and end date, max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, total net profit. All right. We have less than 2 minutes before we see our first automated trade. What was the news today? What is today? Today is Tuesday. This morning we saw the advanced GDP quarter over quarter come out with 2.9% in the green. The advanced GDP price index quarter over quarter saw 3.5% in the green. And then the core durable goods orders month over month was down 0.1%. The durable goods order month over month was up 5.6%. Unemployment claims is at 186,000. And goods trade balance was down 90.3 billion. And prelim wholesale inventories month over month saw an increase of 0.1%. The next thing we will see is at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the new home sales report will be released. And then 30 minutes later, the natural gas storage report will be released. And then tentatively, it says that President Biden will be speaking sometime after 10:30. So, but then again, it's tentative, so, who knows? So we have less than 4 minutes before we see our first automated trade and the market open in New York. Tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the core PCE price index month over month and the personal income month over month and personal spending reports month over month will be released. And then at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the pending home sales month over month, the revised UOM consumer sentiment, and the revised UOM inflation expectations reports will be released. So let's take a look at the news here. AT&T joins the rest of the telecommunications sector in bracing for a difficult year ahead. Aptos is the new kid on the blockchain. It was released 3 months ago, but Aptos is already making a name for itself. Wall Street set to open higher on soft landing hopes, upbeat Tesla outlook. Let me refresh this. All right. And food, we always got to talk about the food. So wheat is up 6 to 9 cents, corn is up 2 to 4 cents, and soybeans are up 5 to 8 cents. Shell launches a review of the UK, German, and Dutch energy retail businesses. That shall be an interesting outcome. Lebanese money exchanger, I'm going to butcher this. We'll call it Mokulalid, I don't know, denies Hezbollah ties after U.S. sanctions. Full Czech Central Bank Board to attend the February 2 policy meeting. The future might be blue. How vague. I could have wrote that headline. Like, wow. All right. BYGGFAKTA Group further strengthens its specification offering. Panama not willing to expand First Quantum's copper mine operations. Oh, what? A country doesn't want to strip out all their natural land resources? Maybe they looked and saw what happened to all the other places that stripped out their mines. So, industry body clarifies what happens when crypto derivatives crash. U.S. core capital goods order fall in December. Why is Bridger Aerospace, ticker BAER, stock up 20% today? I guess the people in that are feeling the good vibes. So we have less than a minute before the New York market opens. Our first automated trade we could see fire off today will be on the NASDAQ futures, which is the chart that we have loaded at this time, so we can take a look at that. So what else is happening in the news while we wait for this minute to go by? Raw sugar hits 1 month peak. Same with coffee and cocoa also rise. It is winter. Christmas just passed. I don't know if anybody walked inside of a store. All I saw was sugar, coffee, and hot chocolate kits everywhere. So this is not a surprising thing to me. Not at all.
Order submitted.
All right, automated trade. We are in an automated trade currently. My chart looks weird. Hey. My chart is missing. I'm in a trade, but it's missing my line. Don't know how to get the chart correct. Bear with me. I'm in an automated trade. I'm trying to get the lines there so you can see them.
Target filled.
It did show part of the trade. Okay, so we're not quite sure what happened here. I think we loaded the wrong SIM account, but the trade did fire off, and we did see a win. No, it was the NQ that fired off. ES doesn't fire off for 4 minutes. Bear with us as we're having production moments. Okay, so in this chart you see the NQ, it does show the trade. We're just not seeing it right here because the wrong chart was loaded. But we did see a win on that automated trading system. You can find these automated free trials to these automated systems on our website at theopeningtrade.com. So that was a nice $420 win there. Okay, so we will try to not have that mistake ever happen again in the future. We will be, production will be on it. Okay, so we have less than 3 minutes before, and these are loaded correctly, so we have less than 3 minutes before we could see our next 3 automated trades. So what happened in that time? Shell is considering exiting UK, German, and Dutch energy retail business. Didn't we just read a headline similar? That they were investigating? Oh yeah, so their review must have came back a whole 22 minutes later, and they have released apparently that they are going to be considering exiting. So what else is happening? Strong U.S. GDP underpins shares ahead of next week's Fed meeting. Toyota shocks with CEO announcement that could indicate a stronger next generation vehicle focus. All right, so Did I read this? Yes, I did. They're adding in some funky headlines. All right, let's refresh. Okay, what are we seeing in the chart? So these marks are for the trade that you didn't see but did fire off in a simulated account. And we're glad to have got out at where we did. It was a winner, so that is wonderful.
Order submitted.
Okay, so we have fired off an automated, we didn't fire it off, the system fired it off. Clearly I wasn't even on the right chart. So right now we have an automated trade happening right now in the S&P 500. That was the only, no it's not, our thing, they all fired off at the exact same time. That's why we only heard one thing. That's why we click on our charts. So we are in 3 automated trades right now. All of them currently in the looking great. We're trying to assess which one we think is probably going to close out automatically, and we'll watch that. So here is the S&P 500. So we're probably going to hear it stop.
Target filled.
It stopped itself out. The parameter saw it was time to close. We'll take that win of $212.50. Now we're still into other automated trades, so let's focus on those and, keep an eye on it. Make sure it's doing all right. Okay, so this is the Russell 2000 futures in an automated trade. All right, we're seeing movement. Okay, so can I show the screen? No, to show that trade earlier. Okay, because it's a simulated, yes? Okay. All right, just making sure that I stay in compliance. All right, so we're still into automated trades. They are kind of getting, these are automated. The parameters have been met for them to stay in here. You see that this trade has a very big window of movement. Unlike the other one, it had a very small window of opportunity. This one has
Order filled.
okay, so the RTY closed in a loss, which we see that here, which was the Russell 2000. So now we are in one last automated trade, and this is on the Dow Jones futures. So even though this simulated account did not see the NASDAQ trade today, when the trades are completed, I will show you the 3 that did fire off in this account and the one that fired off in a different account in the background. Now, I'm going to show you that so that way you know what it would have done had we watched it ourselves. Okay, so again, we're in an automated trade. We do have free trials to these automated trading systems you are seeing right now on our website at theopeningtrade.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in this video description below. All right, this is what we're really liking to see. Steady movement up in the green numbers. You see that the parameter, the automated trading system, sees that there could be a potential. So that's why I put that stop loss take loss. The top one, where it will stop us out in the wind, is set up very high because it is projecting that it could potentially go up there, and that's what we would love to see. It has been a pretty down week for this, so we're hoping to see a return today in the market on our strategies. So what's going on? No. I don't have anybody here. Let me refresh this page. Tech stocks energy tech stocks push TSX higher at open. Wall Street opens higher on soft landing hopes. Tesla boosts. Polygon Q4 transaction volatility fueled by FTX collapse. ZK rolling up testing, Nazin says. Nazin? I'm not sure if I pronounced that name correctly. The Baltic Index hits fresh multi-year lows on Cape-size dip. Alright, so we're still in our automated trade on the Dow Jones futures. We are letting the automated system do its own thing. This is a nail biter. Part of me wants to hit the close button just to end in green, but we're here to watch automated systems trade. So, I smell food. It smells delicious. All right. We're still in our automated trade. Don't forget to understand and read all associated risks listed on our website at theopeningtrade.com and below in this video description. Oh, go the other way, dude. Alright, any fresh news? Fresh news. What do we got? This is old news. Why did it? Any fresh stuff? Let's see here. If you're a returning viewer, thank you very much. If you've liked and subscribed, but we greatly appreciate it. If you have not done so, take a moment to do so now. That'd be greatly appreciated. Try not to sneeze. Alright, so we're still in an automated trade. We're here to watch these automated trades do their thing. Let's take a look what is happening on the other things. Ooh, S&P 500 is seeing big movement, as is the NASDAQ futures. Alright, wow, Russell 2000 has seen quite a bit. This is the euro versus the US dollar, showing the euro. Okay, so we're still in this automated trade. It is getting close to the stop loss. Unfortunately, we're hoping for, a change. We're hoping for it to go the other way. We like the color green, not so much the color red. Okay. Nobody's putting out any fresh news because it is the beginning of the day and everybody is here to see what happens once the New York market opens. So, there we go. Come on, friend. Rise on up. It is a long trade. We've been in it for a while. Excuse me. So what are we going, what is today? Today is Thursday. Alright, refresh the page. Nothing new. Let's refresh our news source. Nothing new. Everybody's just watching their trades. We are watching an automated trade, which is available with free trials and purchase on the openingtrade.com. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in this video description. There's people in the background. They're also trading. Wow, feel like we've been in here forever. Alright, so we're just watching the automated trading system do its thing. And there's not much news coming out because everybody is doing the stock dance. The buy-sell dance. I imagine that they are hopping in their seats, you know, like those things that wiggle under the water. Eels. Seaweed. Alright, so we're getting close to the stop loss. We really hope we will see a turnaround. But if it does hit the stop loss.
Order filled.
So it hit the stop loss, so our automated trade has been completed there. And we are down 192.50 for the day. But had the charts been loaded, had production had it correctly, let's take a look here. Our first trade was the NASDAQ. So in our simulated count for the NASDAQ, had it fired off, as you see it did here in the background on a different simulated account, this is the gross realized numbers we would have seen. It would have been a winner in the win of $420.12. So if you take this number minus that number, had they all fired off today, this account would have been not in the red, but in the green. In the account simulated the opening trade, we did see 3 trades fire off. Because we did not see that NASDAQ trade, it was, we are down for the day. Thanks, production. Anyways, it'll be okay. We'll be here tomorrow. So that's what those numbers are reflecting. Okay, so we have about a minute here, 1 minute of fresh news, and we finally got it because everybody is basically out. So the Canadian dollar notches 2 months high as stocks climb. Crypto gets the regulation it deserves, which is why all those banks were probably pulling out a couple of weeks ago, huh? So IKEA taps Baltics, others for more wood supplies after shutting Russia. Man, I feel like you breathe and it falls over. I don't know. Romanian Minfin analysts affirm 2023 GDP growth forecast, and Mali industry gold production rises 4.4% to 66.2 tonnes in 2022. I lost my camera. We only have a minute left. We are at the end. Actually, we're at the end. So, have a great day. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Make sure you check out our website. I lost the page. I need the page. I don't know where it went. All right. Well, my name is Ayla, and I hope you have a great day. We will be here tomorrow to watch these automated trading systems. Wow, look at the chart real quick. Aren't we glad we got out up here? Look at how far it just hit the overnight low, and it is continuing to fall. So to see the automated trading system get us out up here at this level compared to 100 points lower is amazing, right? All right, so I'm Ayla. That's it for today. I'll be here tomorrow. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you then.